So I'm at the new railway bridge just outside Craven Arms. There's Long Lane down there, long lane level crossing, and this is the bridge. It's the first bridge of its kind in the country, and apparently it was very cheap to make, and also it can be moved if needed. So should we have a look over the bridge? It goes over this railway line. Basically it's joining that footpath down there, you can see, going off to the left, and it takes it over the railway bridge, and it takes you into this field there. There's a public footpath that goes onto the main A49 road there, just outside Craven Arms. So this is the actual bridge. This is obviously from the top. There's no access across the railway line. I just spoke to a man who was making sure there was no access across the railway line except for going over this bridge. So I'll get you some more footage from down below any second. I'm just waiting on the top of the bridge because I heard a train, so I'm hoping to film the train coming over in a minute. I want to see what it feels like with a train coming under it, because it looks like a quite flimsy design, but yeah, it's just want to see what it's like. So I'll see you in a second. Just want to feel it. So that was a train, and the bridge did appear to wobble slightly as it went over, but no, a very safe route now. Be able to cross this from one field to the other on this bit of a walker's path. Okay, so I'll show you some down below now. So I was very fortunate to have 3 trains in a row there. But this is the railway line, and they've made it safe so you can't get across the track any other way. But yes, first of its kind in the country. Very smart. It's got this, I think it's perspex. Well, actually it feels like glass. That's very tough. Very tough. So I think it's glass. which I'm quite surprised about. I thought it might be Perspex, but which would be safe if it got damaged, but it does feel like glass. Anyway, it's a very smart bridge, and like I say, it can be moved. Let's have a look at how it's resting on these joints there, and same on the other side. Yes, so I imagine maybe a crane can come along, lift up the whole construction and move it somewhere else, and I suppose leave those bollard things there in case they want to bring it back again. I imagine that's what they would do. But yeah, so let's just have a look down here, have a look at the construction of it up here. Very good. What's this ballast they've got here? They're like sandbags or something. Very solid. Yeah, they're movable. They're like sandbags, but like loads and loads of sandbags. Might not be sand in them, but they do feel like sandbags. Very heavy bags, so they won't move in a hurry. But I imagine that's all to give support. Don't know what the lighting's like under here. There are the rivets. Can you see the rivets? I don't know whether they show up on camera. But so there we have it. There's the bridge. And okay, so let me know in the comments if you hear of one being built near you. It's the first in the country, UK. So don't know whether I've heard of another one being built, but if you hear of one, let me know. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.